Good evening, Daijon. I thought the best idea was to make a quick video to explain to you how to get into the correct assignment. Um, what I went ahead and done was, well, first off, go into Canvas, you know how to get in there, and then go to our class, which is, let's see, you're in my first class, so that's going to be this one, the kitty with the laser hands. Okay, I'm going to go in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch to student view. There we go. So this is exactly what you see in front of you. So I want to go to modules. Now, what happened was um, we originally had the assignment in this area over here for the getting to know me, all about me. But I think you were absent the first day or the second day, or maybe both, when I explained that it is actually up here in the welcome, introduce yourself section of the module. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. All right, and then we go down, we use these questions to introduce ourselves. And at the bottom, you're gonna see a tell me a bit about yourself. It's a link. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Boom, done. Now, what you can see here is that I cannot actually type in these boxes. So I need to open it. We're gonna go open with Google Slides. All right, now we're not done yet because this is the original file. So for example, it'd be like your teacher having the original copy, right? The teacher would need to make copies for all the students. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make your own copy. We go up here to File, down to Make a Copy. We're gonna make a copy of the whole presentation, the entire presentation. And then we're going to keep the name at copy of who I am. And the reason for that is because it's going to go in your own personal folder, so we don't need to put a name on it. All right, so give that a little bit of time. And now the copy that is being made is going to be your own copy. And this is where you're going to go in and plug in information. Okay. Now I do want your name on the first slide. So when I'm looking at this, I can real quick go back and see who it belongs to. So all you do is double click on there, click twice, and then I can go ahead and type away. Remember that you do have tools that can increase the size of your letters. You can make them bold, you can underline them, you can even change the color of those letters. So anything here. And then we have the highlighter tool right here, which you're going to use for some of the questions. All right, so this first one, you click on the box, find the space, and then you go ahead and type in your answer there. Pretty straightforward. But a couple of them, right click, put your answer in there. All right, but a couple you're going to have to highlight. So and there's going to be, you can choose more than one answer for this one. Okay. So when you go ahead and highlight, remember, click on it, keep it down, drag it over, let go. And then you can go up here to the highlighter tool and you can select your color, excuse me. It doesn't have to be yellow. It could be another color, right? Whatever you're into. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase that. Oops, there we go. All right, so keep that in mind. This one, you would type in your answer, type in your answer there, start typing in your answer in here. Okay, this one as well. Type in your answers, move on to the next one, so on and so on. There is another one though that does have highlighting, which is going to be this one. And once again, you can pick more than one answer, right? How do you work best? How do you learn best? By reading instructions, using your hands, listening to the instructions, by watching videos of instructions, like something like YouTube or something like this, or by trying things out first on your own. All right. And then you're going to see at the last thing that I have here, this is optional. You don't have to do it, only if you have extra time. If you would like to, write a short paragraph that describes you. All right. So I hope that answers your questions. If not, give me a call and then I'll set up a Zoom meeting. That way we can go ahead and do this over video. All right. Thank you.